Good morning, kids. Welcome to your English class. So today in written English work we will do K. K sounds as K. So let's start. First of all, write down date and class work. This is small cursive K that we have done already. And now we will start writing K. First of all, put dot in the first line. We'll start from here. Make slanting line. Then standing line, make curve here. Again slanting line. We will join it like this and like this. Slanting line with small curve. Okay? K. K for kite. I'll tell you again. पहले हमने एक छोटी सी slanting line बनानी है. Then standing line. Make curve here. Again slanting line. We'll join this line like this. And then again with small curve. We'll do one more time. Small standing line. Then standing line with small curve. Now we'll draw this line. Slanting line. We'll join this slanting line with standing line. And now again slanting line with small curve. Okay, बच्चे? Like this. Standing line. Make curve. Now make one more slanting line. ये दोनों slanting line बेटा middle of the line, ये जो standing line है middle में इसको join करना है हमने. Like this. Okay? We'll do one more time. आप मेरे साथ साथ लिखो बच्चे. Small slanting line. Then join it with standing line with small curve. Again slanting line. हमने इसको इस line के साथ join करना है. And now with small curve. Do it again. Slanting line. Standing line with small curve. Join this line with a small slanting line. Now one more slanting line and with small curve. बच्चे आप इसको अगर अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करोगे आप बहुत अच्छे से लिख पाओगे. सो प्रैक्टिस डेली. वन मोर स्टैंडिंग लाइन विथ स्मॉल कर्व. इस स्लैंटिंग लाइन को हमने स्टैंडिंग लाइन के साथ मिडिल में ज्वाइन करना है और यहाँ से हमने एक और स्लैंटिंग लाइन बनानी है विथ स्मॉल कर्व. सो वॉच इट केयरफुली लाइक दिस. ओके. सो दिस इज कैपिटल कर्सिव के. और आप इसकी अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करो and write it very neatly. Okay, kids.